What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at a really awesome product for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Actually, it's available for a lot of other devices as well. If you're interested in picking it up, check my link down below. But this right here is a privacy screen guard from the guys over at BodyGuardz, and it's their Apex two-way ceramic glass privacy screen protector. I always like privacy screen guards because as you can see here, you are not able to see what's on the screen. Let me actually turn this on so you can see that in true color and true to life fashion. I live in a metropolitan area. I'm always on the subway. I'm always at coffee shops. I'm always just out and about. And I don't like to see people peering over my shoulder, trying to read what I'm reading. And I might be looking at some things on the gram, or I might be trying to do my own thing, read some sensitive emails if that's what you're into as well. A privacy screen guard is a way to go because, again, it just kind of ensures that nobody can read what's on your screen. And it is a two-way, so you can see here. If you switch it to the left or you switch it to the right, nobody is able to see what's on your screen. It doesn't take much to kind of mask your screen. Now with these privacy guards, again, this is a ceramic glass privacy screen protector, so it's going to be a lot stronger than those ones you'll find on Amazon. So if you're looking for a premium screen protector, definitely check this one out. Now with most of these screen guards, they do not work in landscape. That's the nature of the beast, nature of this technology. So it is only going to work in portrait mode, which is perfectly fine because quite honestly, most of the time when we're out and about, we're holding our phone in portrait mode anyway. So I just want to show you that. Now when it comes to the overall installation, I will show you how to install this. But what I like about this screen guard is I have not wiped off my screen in this is now 5 days that I've had this on. And it's actually doing a really nice job with not attracting a ton of fingerprints. Now you will see a couple little fingerprints right there. Nothing too crazy though. A lot of these other screen protectors as well catch every single fingerprint. And of course, just a quick wipe down is going to get rid of any of those fingerprints. The ceramic glass from BodyGuardz is about 20 times stronger than if you did not have their glass screen protector on your iPhone. So you're actually getting that extra strength as well. If you're like me and you like thinner cases, or maybe you don't even use a case, protecting this front panel is a must. And using one of these screen guards is definitely going to ensure that you don't get that crack that nobody wants to see after that uh-oh drop moment. Now I will show you the installation as well, guys. It's a very simple. It took me about less than 5 minutes to install it. I did have a couple bubbles on my screen, which did take about 48 to 72 hours to get rid of. But as you can see, bubble free, no doubt about that. And for those of you wondering, there is a cutout on the front there. Let me get a little bit closer. For those of you wondering, there is a cutout on the front. So all of your goodness when it comes to that Face ID and when it comes to your selfie cameras and all of that goodness, you do not have that tint over that panel there. And when you face it down on the phone flat, I mean, that is something that you're going to see. Just something that I want to let you guys know about. I have seen some other screen protectors that kind of put a little bit of a tint over it. This one does not, and that's actually a little bit better for taking that selfie camera. But in any event, when it comes down to this Apex screen protector from BodyGuardz, I think they do a really, really nice job. And in terms of clarity, super clear. I mean, you can hardly tell that this is a privacy guard. Again, some of those other, let's just call them generic privacy guards, tint your screen way, way, way beyond belief. And it makes it almost a shame to put on a screen protector that's going to ruin the beautiful panel that Apple intended us to use. Unlike some other screen protectors on the market, I do have full brightness turned on. And even with full brightness, it's still blocking out the panel at a very nice angle. Some other screen protectors out there with full brightness, you're still able to see everything that's going on your screen. Now, of course, if you want the maximum amount of blockage, dim that screen a little bit more, and you can see it kind of like blocks it out a little bit better. But I'm happy to tell you guys on full brightness, let me just put that right up again, on full brightness, no issues at all. So I hope this helped you out. I'm going to show you the installation video at the end here. And if you're looking for a privacy guard, again, it's something I highly recommend, especially if you're on mass transportation, if you go to coffee shops, if you're just out and about, or even if you don't want your kids checking out what you're doing on the gram, whatever the case is, guys, a privacy guard is one of my products that I highly recommend. And this one from BodyGuardz with that ceramic shield does a very, very awesome job. If this helped you out, share the video, like it, share it, like it, share it, like it. You guys know what to do. This ain't your first rodeo on YouTube. Catch you in another video. But what I like about this one from BodyGuardz, it's not just your regular ordinary screen protector. This one is made from ceramic glass, so it's going to be really extra strong. Now, of course, you get a clear view. People around you on the sides do not. Ultra thin, edge-to-edge protection. Superior optical clarity and smudge resistance. Very easy installation, as you're going to see. Smooth and precise. So again, I actually really like the privacy screen guards, and this one is going to be a very simple installation. So don't worry about installing this. So of course, here are your installation instructions, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And before we put this glass on my phone, I just want to show you a little bit of a tilt, and you don't see what's on the screen. Just like that. But head on, it's going to be clear. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side and check out what we get. Here's your little dust removal stickers and microfiber cloth as well as a cleaning cloth. So let's go ahead and get this installation popping. First thing you want to do is put your phone in the tray just like so. Super easy. And now the next thing, you want to ensure you don't have any dust on your device. So let's start with the cleaning towelette. Next, get our microfiber cleaning cloth. And then if you still see some dust, get one of these stickers. So now when you're satisfied you got all of the dust off, it's time to install the screen protector here. I'm going to give myself one more check. And make sure not to touch the glass here. Let's go ahead and place this into place. And then the top one, give it a nice press. Press really nicely in the middle, just to kind of get it all there. And once you think you've got everything done, just hold your device down, peel off this protective cover. And next, we got to see some air bubbles. Let's try and get rid of these air bubbles. Actually, pop it out of the styrofoam, and now kind of massage these air bubbles away. Get as much of it out as you can. So I'm going to come back in about a day or so when these bubbles disappear to show you guys, but let me just go ahead and turn this on really quickly. But this was a very easy installation. And as we boot up, I just want to show you, if you look at it head on, tiny little bit of tint, not all that bad, but someone trying to peer over, you can see with just a little bit of a twist, they are not going to see what's going on.